Hello everyone, this is Bhumika Parekh from Lyall Public School and today's topic is active and passive voice. In the last class, we had discussed that what active and passive voice mean and how are they interpreted. उनको कैसे समझा जाता है, क्या उनके अंदर changes होती है. These are all the things which we learned in the last class. When we were doing that, we noticed that the verb form changes from active to passive. For example, the example which we took in the last class, cats catch mice. This sentence, when we have to change into passive, will become mice are caught by cats. This is what it will change into. Now what we need to see is that the verb which is catch here has changed into are caught. Has changed into are caught. Now this is what we are going to learn in today's class, that which verb changes to which form. कौन सा verb कौन सी दूसरे verb में change होता है. That is what we are going to understand in today's class. Catch we have seen already that catch will change into are caught. Catch जो है वो caught में change हो जाएगा. Present tense को दिखाने के लिए we'll take one helping verb. The helping verb can be are, am or is. ठीक है? Are, am or is. Depending on the subject, this will change. If plural, are, if singular, is, and if I am. ठीक है? Next, we'll see the verb. Same will go for negative also. Not, do not catch या do not catch या does not catch अगर आता है. If it is do not catch or does not catch, if it is do not catch or does not catch, it will change into is, am, are not caught. Is, am, are not caught. ठीक है? Here to show the negative we are using do or does and not, but here the things will be the same. We'll just put a not here. Okay? So the present verb is changing into past, like the first form is changing into second form. Then we'll see the second form. It is if caught, so it will change into was, were, caught. Was, were, caught. अगर caught है second form में, verb का second form है, तो it will change into was and were, caught. Was for singular and were for plural. Then if it is again the negative, तो यहाँ पर क्या लग जाएगा? Did not, was, were, not caught. ठीक है? To make this negative we are using did not, and to make this negative we are just going to put a not. Then if we are talking about continuous, is, am, are, catching, it will change into is, am, are, being to show the continuous form, and caught. Okay, if it is in present continuous tense, it will take the helping verbs of present tense, but being for continuous and the second form of verb. Is, am, are, being, caught. Similarly, if there we have to put not, so we'll put it here. And it will change into negative. Is, am, are की जगह पे if we have to change it into past tense, so it will take was or were, catching. It will change into was, were, being, caught. And for negative, like we put not into the positive one, वैसे ही हम यहाँ पर भी not लगा देंगे. Is MR catching? Is MR being caught? Was were catching? Was were being caught? And to put to make it negative, we will just put a not. Okay. Perfect tense has, have, caught. It will change into has, have, been, caught. Has, have, been, caught. Has, have, caught. ठीक है. पास perfect tense has, have, been to show the third form and caught. अगर वही not we have to use, make it negative. Has, have, not, has, have, not been caught. Okay. Similarly goes for past tense also. Had been, had caught, had been caught. Has, have की जगह पे क्या आ जाएगा? Had आ जाएगा. Has you know will be used for singular and have you know will be used for plural. Okay. I hope all these verb forms were clear to all of you. Remember one thing, that generally the second form of verb will come. The general verb form which will be there is the second form of verb. Then if we move to future tense or the models, will, shall, would, could, ये सारे अगर हम लोग लेते हैं, I am just taking one example. Will, catch. Will के साथ में it's always verbs first form, so it will be will, catch. Okay, it will change into will, be, because after will there is always first form, and then caught. ठीक है. अब इस will को we can replace with shall, would, could, can, may, might, must, whatever you like. Any models can be taken here. It will take the first form of verb, and then after it will be caught, shall be caught, would be caught, may be caught. The model plus be, and then the third form of the verb, second form of the verb. Okay. The next thing which you need to learn is understand is how pronouns are changed while changing from active to passive. We all know pronouns are of three types, three persons, basically, not types. First, second, and third. In first we have I and we. Singular I है और plural we है. This will change to me and us, because this is the subjective form and this is the objective form. तो ये किस में change हो जाएगा? I change हो जाएगा me में और we change हो जाएगा us में. So if there is any sentence which is having I in active voice, so whenever you change it into passive, it will always become me. Second person is you, it will always remain as you. Third person, he will become him. She will become her. They will become their, them, sorry, not their. And it will always remain as it. Okay, he will change into him, she will change into her, they will change into them, and it will change into it itself only. It और you कभी change नहीं होंगे, subject में आओ चाहे object में आओ, ठीक है. बाकी सारे this will change. This will always come as subject. and this will always come as object. Okay. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to take some sentences as per their tenses. Tense के हिसाब से लेंगे, पहले affirmative, फिर negative, फिर interrogative, ठीक है, and then negative interrogative, if required negative interrogative, otherwise only these three types, affirmative, negative and interrogative. Simple past, simple present का, then present continuous, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous, and we'll see how each sentence changes. We are going to write one sentence of each tense and then change it into passive form. That is what we are going to do in the next class. Okay. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, these words never change into passive form. ठीक है. Future में बहुत rare cases में changes होते हैं. That's why we will not take future tense. I hope everything was clear for this class and nobody has any doubts. Thank you so much.